What's good, everybody? I've been wanting this thing for a while now because in this house we don't have cable. We don't have satellite. We don't have cable. We don't deal with any of those. We do have internet in this house, but I was trying to find something because occasionally I don't mind watching, your news channel and stuff like that. We do have Netflix and we do have Hulu, but I'm always been hearing about, why don't you try an antenna? Why don't you try an antenna? And I was like, well, I don't want to set up an antenna. I don't want to put something outside. We live in the city, and I was like, I'm not putting anything outside. I don't want to do that because of the weather, and I just didn't want to do it. So today, I got this mohu curve. It's a mohu curve plus, and it supposedly get up to 60-mile range. And hopefully 60 miles is far enough to get to the antenna it needs for me to get channels onto my TV. Brother-in-law, I know you're watching this, so I'm hoping this thing work, because if it do, I'm going to text you and I'll let you know it really does work, because I just want something that I can just watch my news when it's on live and stuff like that. And I have nothing against Hulu. I got nothing against Netflix. It's cool, but you do want to cut down on certain things that you don't necessarily have to have. But we'll probably keep those. But enough about that. That's neither here or there. Let's talk about this antenna. So supposedly this thing is high def. On the box it says you can get ultra high def 4K. This is 4K ready. I have a 4K TV. It's also 1080. It's claiming, it says on the box, 94 of the top 100 TV shows. It's premium material. It's a multi-directional antenna. Let's open it up and I'll show y'all what's in the box. I have not opened it up yet. All I did was take off the tape. So let's see what's in the box. This will be my first time seeing what it looks like as well. That's the antenna. Okay. That's the cable. So supposedly that's the brick. That's the stand. Got some instructions, which I'll be looking at because I don't know how to hook this thing up, but it don't look hard at all. So, let's see. So this plugs into the cable. This is the amplifier. This is the amplifier. And you also plug this part into this, and it also has a USB that you can also plug into the TV. So all the newer TVs, you can plug the USB into the TV. So guys, enough of showing y'all that. I am going to hook it up. Actually, I'll do it. I'll just put the stand and everything on it. They got a little sock on it. I'll put the little stand on there right now. So I'm assuming it goes like that. So you hook that in there like that. And you just snap that in there. And there you go. That's it. Put that to the side. Trying to do it a little quick for you guys. I don't know how many feet the cable, but it's pretty long. I don't know how long the cable is, but they give you a nice length. Let me see if I can find that for you real quick. How long this cable? The cable is 16 feet. That is a 16-foot cable. So that's pretty good. So let me unpop that. I just wanted to show y'all what the stand looked like. Pop that off. It doesn't matter what in you plug in. It doesn't matter. So that's how that goes. This part goes into here. You guys make sure that's nice and snug. This part goes into the TV, and this USB goes into the TV. So I'll be right back. Let me install it. Alright everybody, I'm back. So I gotta go to settings. It is channel setup, and you go to cable antenna and signal type antenna. Should I do auto program? So I'm gonna run auto program. If this takes 30 minutes, I'm gonna speed up the process. So on the left hand side it says analog and digital, and this may take 30 minutes. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I want you guys to see this when I see it, because this is the first time I'm seeing it as well. So hopefully this does well. It's supposed to get up to 60 miles in range, so hopefully we have a tower that's close enough. And again, I live in a city, so we'll see. It's going pretty fast, so I may not speed it up. Oh, I probably still will, but I want you guys to see everything live, because again, this is the first time I'm doing it as well. Hopefully we get something out of this. I don't know why my camera is not staying focused. Maybe I'll leave it like that. We're more than halfway, and it's just telling me 8 digital. I may have to scan the channels again, and I may relocate the antenna. Maybe that may work, so I may end up doing that as well. Actually, everybody, that wait wasn't that long. It's almost completed. I only got 12 though. This channel is WPPT. This is a Philadelphia channel.
And fits you who you are.
Well, I try to be honest and trustworthy, and I also think Consumer Cellular works that way as a company. I trust them.
They share the same values.
This is Light TV. You guys are seeing it as I see it for the first time. This is Fox. This is Retro. H&I. 69 News. Last Man Standing. I don't know the channel. This channel looks pretty good, y'all. This looks really good. This channel looks really good. Worship channel. This is a Bethlehem Glory. and I'm right back to where I was. So I only got 12. This was not. So everyone, this was not a win for me. And just in case I didn't say it in the beginning of this video, this cost me $69.99. Now I'm not knocking, just saying it did not work for me in the area that I live in and the situation that we are in, where we are at. It did not work. For $69.99, I cannot keep this antenna for only 12 channels. No way. But I'm not saying it won't work for you. I can return mine, so I'm gonna get my money back. So the couple of years that I've been thinking about it, man, this may work for us, man. And it could be even how my apartment is faced. Maybe I'm not in the right direction. You know, you got to take all that stuff in account. So maybe if I was in the other apartment, or maybe if I was, you know, next door or down the street, maybe I'll get more channels. But right now in my location, $69.99 for a mohu curve plus, sorry, didn't do it for me. And again, it may work for you, it may not, but I gave it a shot, so I'm okay with that. And I'm not saying I may not try another antenna. May try the same brand again, probably just a longer range, because you never know how far the range is from the satellite or the antenna that you need to get a signal from. So I tried it, didn't work. This is not a win for me. Again, not knocking it, maybe for you guys. All right, peace.